on World No Tobacco Day, we are thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Madam, to give us time to honor our commitment that we have to make the people aware about the hazards of tobacco, and at the same time those who are addicted to tobacco, we should guide them on how they can leave tobacco. So a poster has been designed by Delhi Medical Association in association with Heartcare Foundation and Max Healthcare. So this is to depict the hazards of tobacco and the benefits of quitting tobacco. We are thankful that Madam has released this poster. We have, Madam, around 12,000 members across the city, and it will be posted at all clinics so that people who wait in the OPD and other procedures, they are benefited by this, and general awareness will go. At the same time, we held a workshop yesterday. Dr. Sameer is a very renowned physician from Max Healthcare. Yesterday, we trained our doctors in educating the patients how they can leave tobacco. Now, there are very good drugs which can help the people in leaving tobacco. This message goes across, and your message and your joining this campaign will give a lot of boost to Delhi Medical Association in this whole campaign. I will request Dr. K.K. Agarwal to please say a few words.
Thank you, and first of all, thanks, Madam, for accepting to release the Delhi Medical Association poster. I have only 2 points to make. One is that each practitioner and each family physician and each nursing home should open a de-addiction clinic as far as smoking is concerned. Smoking de-addiction clinic. Those who are heavily dependent can go to bigger center, but at a family physician level, those who want to quit, who want to get motivated, these are the people, these clinics can help in assisting people and motivating people to quit smoking. Unfortunately, today, most of us don't have those types of clinic. Even in government hospitals, only 1 or 2 centers have de-addiction clinics where people can get help in quitting smoking. That's one. And just for the information of Madam, I want to raise one more point out of the No Tobacco Day. Madam, पिछले संडे को आमिर खान के प्रोग्राम में एक चीज़ आई थी कि डॉक्टर्स लोग जेनरिक दवाइयाँ इसलिए नहीं लिखते क्योंकि उनको कमीशन मिलता है आमिर खान के शो में। और हमारा सिर्फ ये कहना है कि आज हम सब लोग अगर जेनरिक दवाइयाँ लिखते हैं तो मिलती नहीं कहीं पर भी। किसी केमिस्ट के यहाँ पे जेनरिक दवाई नहीं है। देयर इज़ नो सिस्टम ऑफ जेनरिक मेडिसिन्स। और जिस तरीके से मेडिकल प्रोफेशन की इमेज ख़राब करी गई उस संडे के प्रोग्राम में कि लोग generic दवाइयाँ नहीं लिखते. Even in your government hospital, generic medicines are not available. Even in private sector, generic medicines are not available. So I personally feel that being the chief minister and the head of the state, doctors have felt that there is something कि उनकी image को खराब किया गया है प्रोफेशन की इमेज को कि आप लोग जो हैं इसलिए नहीं महंगी दवाइयाँ लिखते हो कि आपको कमीशन मिलता है, जबकि महंगी दवाइयाँ सरकार ही अलाउ करती है. MRP इज डिसाइडेड बाय गवर्नमेंट, नॉट बाय द डॉक्टर्स. और आप जो दवाई लिखते हो वो वही दवाई लिखते हो जो सरकार ने दी है और जिस पैसे के अंदर में मिली है. ये तो मेरे पॉइंट्स मैडम के लिए थे. यू वांट टू रेज एज अ डीएम समथिंग?
No, madam, our only request is that all government hospitals should open up tobacco cessation clinics so that people are benefited by this. And this Jan Aushadhi Kendra, where these generic medicines are there are 4 generic Aushadhi Kendra in the whole city, and we need more generic medicines, drugs stores all over the city so that people are benefited by this. We definitely want to write generic medicines so that they are cheaper and it can be made available to the masses. So we'll request that this issue should be taken up by the government, and Delhi is becoming the hub of international medical excellence, and we hope this under your leadership medical excellence will be more and more in Delhi.
Thank you very much for being here, and I do apologize for the terrible weather, but I think we did the wrong thing. Should have had it in one of our office rooms. Anyway, thank you very much for starting this campaign. It has a lot of meaning when it comes from doctors and a lot more credibility than we would have. Otherwise, our appeals are there, but they're not as effective as yours would be. I have only 1 or 2 requests to make from you. That I don't know, I'm still trying to find a way of how we can stop the sale, particularly of tobacco, not just cigarettes, but tobacco and gutka, whatever it's called. what is happening is you find this being sold all over the city, you know, on little kiosks, छोटे छोटे डब्बे लगा देते हैं, उसको बेचते हैं. And what I find is बच्चों को उस पे बहुत बुरी आदत पड़ रही है. जब बचपन में आप शुरू कर देंगे. दूसरा विकल्प जो कभी कभी ध्यान में आता है वो ये है कि अगर जो हमने बीड़ी सिगरेट और ये सब बंद कर दिया तो और भी ज़्यादा गंभीर ड्रग्स पे दे टेक ऑन. देयर इज अ काइंड ऑफ एडिक्शन टू drugs which are really not permissible, but you find that happening. So I think we need to take a holistic view of it all, and your association's guidance in this would help us enormously, because हम कम से कम अगर जो यही बंद कर दें कि वेंडर्स सड़क पे बैठ के आप फल बेचिए, जो भी कुछ आपको बेचना हो, but not this tobacco products which are happening just now. So if an appeal could come or a request could come from all of your association कि भाई इसको आप किसी तरह से हटाइए, तो we would go with better confidence than we have at the moment. Where de-addiction is concerned, there are centers, but we do need more. I agree with you there. We need many more centers than we already have, and I hope that this will de-addiction is important, but for me much more important is to teach the new generation not to take to this addiction, how harmful it is. As you've said, it gives you cancer, it gives you heart attacks, it gives you bad teeth, it gives you, it's terrible. So please help us, guide us, and I really wish the whole city will take a pledge today, individually and collectively, to see that there is less consumption of tobacco. Consumption tobacco की बढ़ी है या कम हुई है? बढ़ी है.
Tobacco products की बढ़ गई है. Like gutka and all.
This is in fact the DMA's.
Government shall ban this.
This is in fact our.
बैन करना इतना मुश्किल होता, मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी. I don't know.
Cannot be banned, but gutka and tobacco
products, ma'am, they are more harmful.
They are more harmful.
Madam, nicotine, tobacco contains nicotine. Nicotine is a drug. Nicotine patches are under a drug. अगर स्टेट चाहे कोई भी एक्सपेरिमेंट करना और अगर हम टोबैको प्रोडक्ट्स को ड्रग की कैटेगरी में डाल दें, then it can be only be available under the chemist, not on the roads. और केमिस्ट के यहाँ पे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे, दैट मीन्स इफ यू वांट डी एडिक्शन देन ओनली इट विल बी प्रिस्क्राइब्ड. नॉर्मल आदमी नहीं खरीद पाएगा. फिर आप पीते हो, आप डॉक्टर किसी के पास भी
Anyway, let me think about it, and maybe this end of next month or some.
Tobacco, there are 40 carcinogenic products in smoking. Other than tobacco de-addiction is possible. But then aldehyde, nitrosamines, and there are 40 carcinogenic products in the smoke, which are causing problem. Tobacco de-addiction is possible with the nicotine gas and all.
Also carbon monoxide.
We need to have more awareness that is possible, so that it's not tobacco, it is killing our those carcinogens.
And this is in fact our main demand today. DMA demands a ban on gutka, tobacco and tobacco.
Okay. Thank you so much, and I really wish you best.